The Merry Marauder, the ginger skin in Fortnite. We are going to show you guys the pencil illustration and a marker illustration for you to draw. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because we are very close to 200,000 subscribers. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every single time we are making a new video on this channel, which is like every day. And also like this video to show your appreciation to the hard work that we put in making these videos. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and like this video for more videos like this in the future. So now we are going to start with the pencil drawing. So it's a fast forward version to showcase that it takes time when it comes down to the pencil drawing. And I also use an eraser, like, to erase everything, to make everything proper. So it takes me like really fast, like it doesn't take me a lot of time to draw this, even though it's a fast forward version. So the pencil illustration is just an example that you need to do it with the pencil. And after I'm done with the pencil illustration, I've done it with a marker. The reason I've done it with a marker is so that I can give you guys an in-depth tutorial on how to draw the shapes, on how to do the arms, on how to do the fingers, and how to do the legs. Like an in-depth tutorial how to draw this whole skin from top to bottom. So we have done more of these videos in the future. I mean, we will be doing it, and we have done many in the past. So we have done the Ice King skin, we have done the Link skin, we have done the Nogops, the Yuletide Ranger, we have done the TROG, the Lynx, the next version. So we have done the skins, like the Battle Pass skins, the regular skins on this channel. So if you want to draw the skins for yourself, feel free to do that. It will be there in the channel. Also check out the links which are in the description, because we are also doing a massive giveaway of a few V-Bucks. So if you just stand a chance to win the competition, so check out the links which is in the description. That would be the first link if you want to enter the giveaway. So yes, this is the drawing, ladies and gentlemen. This is a simple just a pencil illustration on how to do this in a very easy way. You can use your colors to give it depth, some shadows, to give it some adjustment in the X, Y, and Z coordinates. So yeah, these are the structures, the proper way, the way it is in the lobby, the way you would see the Ginger Gunner. We have the Merry Marauder, the Ginger Gunner. Those are the Christmas skins, the ginger skins in Fortnite. Now it's been a year. It was released in 2017, and next it was released in 2018 Christmas time. So now this was the main drawing, and now you can just go ahead and do the eyes and the eyebrows. You can make it into even a smiley faced Merry Marauder. So this is a pencil illustration. If you want, you can use colors. Just make sure don't color after you're done with the marker illustration. Always use your pencil to draw, okay? Don't use anything else, because it would become really easy for you to. Also remember, you need to erase it a little bit, the darker sides. If you're using your pencil too much, if the paper becomes dark, just make sure you erase it before you start coloring. Don't color after the marker illustration. So you erase it and you color. So right now I'm going to show you guys the in-depth tutorial on how to draw it for yourself. This would be a marker illustration, so that it becomes really easy for you guys to draw. So the first step is that we're just gonna start with the head, okay? And then onwards we are gonna go ahead and do the arms and everything else. So right now we are starting with the head. It's just a simple curve, a simple curvature of the head. It all starts with the head, and then we're gonna make our way till the bottom. So from here we make a curved line, as you guys can see here in this video. A curved line, that's simple, and another curved line from the other side. And then we join these two ends by making his chin, which is also a curved line. So what have we done over here? Curved lines, that's it. Now two curvy lines from both the sides to make his neck. From here we make another curved line which will be parallel to the main face. From here we extend these two lines. Okay, one should be just keep that in mind. Both are different, the angle, okay? Just keep that in your mind. From here we make a long curve like that. As you guys can see here in the video, you make a long curve from the left side or maybe the right side of the skin, and from there you can use your pencil to give it some more details. I mean, it's really hard to give me to make the details in a bold marker when I'm doing the illustration. From here you make another parallel line, and at the end you join it to the other side. Okay, from here you make some designs which is already there on the ginger. So from here you make a big curved line. Okay, looks simple, isn't it? Also, we are making the other side. So right now we are going to make his bow. So we make a small circle, and we're going to draw the rest of the bow on the other side. Looks simple, isn't it? I hope you guys are following me through this video. If you want, you can pause this video if you want. We make a long curve to make this thing which is on his body. Just remember, guys, if this is too fast, you can download it. You can play it in slow motion on your computer or any device, or you can pause the video while you guys are drawing it. So this is the progress. So yes, this is the main thing which is on top of his chest, on the torso. Over here you can make the patterns. So make like 2 parallel lines so you can start coloring it up. I mean, use your pencil, okay? The reason I tell you to use your pencil so that you can always go back if you make any mistakes. If you're making it with a marker, if you make anything wrong, then you won't be able to erase it. It's gonna be permanent. So that's the reason I urge you guys to use a pencil and an eraser, just sharpen your pencil and then just start drawing. Always remember, if something doesn't look perfect, try it again, okay? There's a lot of time and there's no rush. You don't have to catch a train or anything. Just sit down, just open this video, download it on your phone or anything, and then watch it slowly, like zoom it. Like if there is any difficulty, I have helped you guys so many times. When you guys use the comment section down below and you told me that you guys face difficulties in making the face or the hands or the legs, I am always more than happy to help you guys out with your Fortnite sketches. So use the comment section down below. And do let me know if you guys have any troubles. And also you can just follow me on my social media, which is on the right side of the screen right now. Send me a DM if there's any difficulties or problems. We'll be more than happy to share and answer all your questions that you guys have in your mind regarding the drawing. Over here, making one of these hands, so it's just straight lines and curves. It's super easy and it's very simple. If you guys have reached till this part of this video, and if you guys are enjoying it, consider subscribing. Because once you guys are subscribing, you will be notified every single time we are uploading a new video on this channel. And when we are uploading the new video, you definitely want to be notified for that. Because in this channel, we do everything related to Fortnite. So go down there. See, you guys see that big red button? Just click on it, which is subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. It's super easy. Just once you guys are subscribing, you will be helping us reaching our subscription goal, which is 200,000 subscribers. I mean, it's a dream. It would really be awesome, and you guys are amazing if you guys can help me reach that goal. And also drop a like if you guys are enjoying this. I mean, all these videos, they take a lot of time to make, and I can like these type of videos. It requires a lot of time. First, I have to like draw it with my pencil. Next, I have to use my marker to draw it. Next, the pencil drawing that I made, I have to like erase it out, like slowly start coloring it to show you guys the final product. Like no one's gonna watch a video which is like like an hour or like 3 hours long. So just combine everything, give you the very best, the product, the tutorial, and how to do it. All the Fortnite drawings, the tutorials, we have done it. We have done the Ice King. We have done the Lynx, we have done the TROG, we have done the Yuletide Ranger, we have done the Nogops, we have done various skins which is in the channel. So if I were you, I'd just click on the channel, just scroll down a bit, and you're gonna see like many drawings from the channel. And trust me, the way I give you guys the tutorials, like it's super easy. For example, we're making the hand right now. So we make like straight lines one after the other. It's super simple. If you have your pencil, you can go in more depth, making the fingers even more accurate, like give it some more details in the gloves. And also remember, like the colors which is in the game, I mean, you guys can use any color, okay? You don't have to stick with the colors which is in the game. You can use any of the colors that you have in your mind, and you can just pour it out on the piece of paper. So it's super easy. Right now we're gonna make his button. So we make a small circle like this, and on over it we are making another circle. Looks cute, isn't it? From here we're gonna make another circle just like the one, and then we're gonna make an outer circle over it. These buttons look great. We're gonna do the same to make another button. So we have 3 buttons right over here, and we make small dots at the center to give it the feeling of the stitches. From here we're going to make his belt. So we make a big curve like that, and also there will be a strap underneath the belt. So increase it a little bit from both the sides, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to join these 2 lines by making a parallel line to the first one. Not a line, I would say a curve. Over here you just dissect it from the middle, making another curve which will be parallel to both the lines. So from here you make some designs just like the way we have it in the game. So we use the markers like up and down, looks fantastic, isn't it? Over here, from here we're gonna make the straps for the belt. So we make another strap right over there, and now we're going to make the belt buckle just like the way it is in the game. So a bit over there on top, a little bit down. You can even put like more straps if you want to give it some more detail. Now remember guys, this marker illustration, if you start coloring on top of this marker illustration, you won't be getting the desired product. You need to do it with a pencil. Once you're done with the pencil illustration, just like the way I've showed you guys in the video, you need to slightly erase it, because once you guys are drawing, the pencils are going to leave like really dark marks on the paper. If there are any dark marks on the paper and you guys are coloring on top of it, it won't look good. So I urge you guys, wherever there's like dark spots where you know, with the pencil, I urge you guys to lightly erase it, not fully erase it, just lightly erase it, so that you guys are able to see the pencil marks even after it's erased. So once that's done, I do that all the time because I don't want like those really bad pencil marks to be there after I'm done coloring, so that people will be like, whoa, it doesn't look nice at all. So yeah, these are the tips that I'm gonna give you on this channel. I mean, in general, I mean, it's gonna help you out with your drawing, and that's what helped me. So it's make it super easy. Like for the fingers, you guys saw like a very detailed tutorial, like on small lines, one after the other, how to do it, like in a straight lines, curves to make his legs. I mean, you can make his legs in any way you want. So we're gonna go ahead and make the straps, which is on his legs, like 1, 2, 3, and we can like make the legs. Looks easy, isn't it? So over here we're gonna make the design just like the way we have it in the game. Looks nice, isn't it? I love the ginger gunner. Like whoa, that is my alarm. So yeah, never mind guys. So we're gonna make some more details, like to give it some more crease to the cloth that he's wearing, to give it some more depth. I mean, if you have more time, you can put the white spots, which is on the body, while you guys are coloring it. Over here you can make him into a smiley face, Merry Marauder, or you can make it into a sad one like the normal version, just like the way we had since the beginning. So I'm gonna go with the sad one. Look, we're gonna make the eyebrows like 2 like oval things, like that's his eyebrow, and from there we're gonna make his eyes, 2 googly looking eyes. Looks nice, isn't it? From here we're gonna make 2 eyes, and there we go. He's like, yo, what's up? And on top we're gonna make another curved line, and over there we're gonna make some design just like the way we have it in the game. Right now you don't have to do these designs. I'm just using a marker just to illustrate on how to do this, like one step at a time. You don't have to rush. Now, just like the way we did it with the pencil, right now you have to do it with the pencil if you want to color it. Don't use a marker ever, because you won't be able to paint it then. So once it's done, just lightly erase it, okay, so that it doesn't leave all these hard marks on the paper. Because once you guys are done, you can start coloring with like pencil colors, watercolors, poster colors, acrylic colors, and it would look something like this. It looks really amazing, isn't it, ladies and gentlemen? Now, thank you guys so much for watching. Check out the videos which are appearing on the screen right now, and as always, subscribe to the channel. Help us reach 200,000 subscribers, and goodbye. You guys have a great day ahead.